All right, small business owners, this is their daily influx of customer reviews. This is what it feels like. 5 stars, 1 star, and everything in between, pouring in constantly, demanding an immediate, thoughtful reply. But they can't dig out from under this pile. The instinct is to grab a review, drop it into a standard AI chatbot, and then ask for a quick response. It saves 20 minutes of overthinking, but the output comes back perfectly grammatical and entirely forgettable. You want something that sounds like you, not a robot. But how do you do this? You're busy working. Well, there's a prompt engineering pipeline that you could set up and that actually works. So I had an assignment, a homework assignment. I'm taking this generative AI leader certification. I was supposed to pick a problem, write a prompt, test it, and then evaluate the output. Does it actually do the job according to the criteria that I set for the results? So I went to work, I did the assignment, I defined what success looks like, and I wrote out the rules. So this diagram shows a blank evaluation rubric. We filled it out with the specific criteria. Does the response match a warm business owner's tone? Is it under 80 words? Is it personalized, professional? Setting these benchmarks up stops the AI from acting like a randomized slot machine where you just keep hitting regenerate until you get lucky. It sets up the structural integrity so that when you run a test, you score every single output against the exact same standard. Establishing these specific metrics forces you to step out of the role of passive consumer, puts you in the seat of an architect designing a reliable system. Let's run a stress test. We take 1 and 5-star review for a pet grooming business about a senior dog's first visit, and we push it through 3 different logical pathways. On the first pathway, it's 0-shot prompting. You give the AI 1 direct instruction, but 0 examples and no persona. And the result is fine. It's flat, earning a 6 out of 10 on our rubric. But now we adjust the few-shot prompting, and we feed the AI specific examples of what good looks like. And that'll bump the score up to 8 out of 10. On our third pathway, the persona-based prompting kicks in. You tell the AI to act as Maya, a caring business owner. And the emotional context creates a human voice, securing a winning 9 out of 10. Systematically testing these variables provides us baseline for quality. You no longer have to guess if the AI is going to get the tone right. You've identified the specific technique that generates the result you need, and you have the logic, the prompt techniques, and the evaluation rubric that gets it done. You have the system that generates the scores and logs the final responses directly to a client database. The automated sequence transforms the isolated components of the homework assignment into a live client-ready agent. That's what happened. It's like I took it from just the homework assignment to creating something real. If you're going to spend the time working in these platforms, using these tools, learning AI, if you're solving a problem, build something that other people can solve that same problem with. Identify the problem, select the right technique, define the criteria, and measure the quality, and you can end up with a very usable, profitable tool. Highly certified individuals are consistently failing to extract real business value from their education. They know how the models work, but they don't know how to apply them. And this is the disconnect, the distance between having a theoretical understanding of a tool and actually deploying it to solve a problem. The difference between people who understand AI and the people who profit from it is execution. So treat every learning session as a product build, and you'll walk away with something that you can actually use. So I hope to see you in our Spark Starters school community where we build things like this every day and we have a lot of fun. So I hope to see you there. And if not, I'll see you in the next one.